want clear, you can do any solid colors, okay? Just to an idea. So if you want to get some cool design, I'm gonna place them randomly. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to, I think it's great. Cute. Okay. Give me 1 second. And I am going to pick up some butterflies. I'm so in love with these butterflies. Oh God, they had so many in there. It's okay. I want them, but I don't want that much. That's many. Put on the sides. Let me tap some of this first. Yesterday we did fun with like sticker butterflies. Today we're doing a glitter butterflies. I have to separate them because they were stuck together. Beautiful. However you would like, okay? Because I think it's beautiful wherever you place it. Pick up a little bit clear. If you start feeling is dry out, which is it happened to me right now because the weather's in Florida now is getting really nice and warmer. So I am gonna pick up a little bit clear. Sometimes it's stubborn, it doesn't want to listen, but it's okay. If you're happy with this, we're gonna keep tap this one clear, a thin coat, because we're going to using some blue colors and ombre this. So I'm gonna let it till my nails down a little bit to let it floating and flows to the end of the nails. In the meantime, you can using your body of the brush. Just guide your clear color powders toward to the center of the nail, so then it's build the structures without making it look too bulky. Oh, interesting. This is 2 butterfly right here. It's okay. I'm gonna take 2. I can have 2 of them. Not a big deal. Springtime, so you can do this with blue, you can do this with pink, however you would like. Okay, now I am gonna pick 1 bead, and I am going to, I get it a little bit wet. That's, I did it in purpose and I want it like that. So when I lay it right in between the clear, right where the clears I finish, I am going to blend it down. Make sure you clean underneath good. Dip my brush in and wipe it off. Do it again. Pick up the same beads, and now I'm gonna get closer to the cuticles. And If you're happy with this, you cap it with clear, but if I want to add just a little bit of blue to make it more ombre, I'm gonna do some crystal placements on this. You don't want to work with the beads a little bit dry to do ombre because it's hard for you to blend it. Just one way to do ombre tip and trick. Great. I think I'm happy with this ombre, and I am going to using a crystal clear. Cap the nails right there where your blue and your clear meet. Let it flow. I'm so excited with this part, and then after that we get to do our crystal placement. Is fun part too. You look at my motions, like a lot of nail tech will do tap it on, great, or when you are like, my motion is just tap and kind of blend it out at the same time, so it looks like I'm pull them off, but actually it's not. So do not pull them off, all the powder is gonna be gone. Great. So move on to the next one.